Ma Sirshamasam. Marga Sirshamasam. So, Marga is Paramatma Vishnu. Margaha, Pranaha, Damodaraha, Saha. See, Margaha, Damodaraha, Pranaha, Saha. That means Vishnu. Therefore, last month we have had a lot of importance to Shiva. Now there is importance for Vishnu. And Vishnu is Surya only because we call him a Surya Narayana. Therefore, now, moreover, that Surya Bhagavan, astrologically, he is in Dhanurmasam. So, Dhanurmasam is Dhanur Rasi. Kodandaravi, they call him. So, as Kodandaravi, he would be bestowing lot of success in the endeavors of all people. Therefore, in this Masam, we are all trying to uh, study the Aruna Prasna, which will talk about the Aruna form of the Surya Bhagavan. Because we have 12 forms of Aditya, Mitra, Varuna, and Mitra, Ravi, Surya, Bhanu, Khaga, Pusha, Hiranyagarbha, Savitru, Arka, Bhaskara, Marichi, etc. Bhaskarebhyo Namaha. All the 12 Adityas are 12 aspects, and we are now talking about the Aruna, the very rise of the sun, who will be pink in color, crimson color in color, and whom anybody can see directly, not with any spectacles. So such kind of Aruna is being visible for us. And now we are almost at the conclusion of the mantras of the mantras, rather formulas for the performance of the yajna by going by the name Aruna Ketuka Agni. And before that, we have the creation uh, legend, or how the creation came into being. Because many Aranyakas also, like Brahmanas or Vedas, Veda Samhitas, endeavor to give us a picture of the origin of creation, genesis of the creation, why at all the creation has taken place. Because we know only from the time that we are in the womb of my mother, or our mother, and getting out. That's why Janana Kale, the word Janana Kala, they fix the Janana Kala, namely the Shirodarshana or the Rodana or something like that. There are some three muhurtas being caught up by the astrologers, and they compute a horoscope accordingly, and the horoscope is always limited. So the horoscope is depending upon the time of birth, and accordingly the predictions keep going. And so here Prajapati was there at the first, and we are at the point we have already covered, but still Kamagnim Chinute, ultimately we have come to notice that Imamarunake Kamagnim Chinvanaha Ya evaso itascha mutascha vyatipati tamiti. Now always investigation is important. There is a question, Kamagnim, why for this Agni worshipped? And because the promise is that whoever worships this kind of Arunaketa Agni, he will be admitted into the region of the sun, Arunaketa Kamagnim Chinvanaha, and he moves forward without shaking this side or that side. So he would be getting on to the steady sun. So that is the advantage of performing the Arunaketuka Agni. And he would be getting the grace and power and the anugraha from the Surya Bhagavan, and because he transcends on to the Surya region, and therefore from this loka, that is an advantage. So this is the opinion, as we have noted, put forward by the Sandilya Maharshi. And he talked about the benefit. Sandilya, you see, that is what has been spoken by the Sandilya Maharshi. And after Sandilya's opinion, then we have got what is the advantage further? Yo agner mithuya veda mithunavan bhavati. Don't change. I will be coming to that point where you have displayed on the screen. So he who knows the coupling move of the Agni, he would be fully successful in carrying out the duties of a householder. Because householder, a gruhastha, is very important. Mithunavan, Mithuna is taken as a gruhastha. So gruhastha means stability. You know, brahmachari, vanaprastha, and sannyasa, these three ashrama people are not stable. For example, sannyasi has got to get out of his matham, must make chaturmasya, go away from it, and spend his time by discoursing, by performing pujas, homas, and doing all religious, meritorious activity. So, hello, Aruna Prashna. Aruna, join ago. Okay, good luck. So, here you see Mitravan Bhavati is an advantage because upon the earth, we are all having dual aspects. Papam, Punyam, Sitam, Ushnam, and Vayu, Avayu, etc. So many things are there. And Ripram Vataha, and Ripravataha, and Bheshajam Vataha. So everywhere we have got this kind of Dvandvatvam. And Dvandvatvam is a stability. And Apova Agneha Mithuyaha Mitanavan Bhavati. And again, we have come across to the idea that in Agnikaryam, which we do worship, there we are always putting a request to him. The very opening mantra is Paritvagne Parivrujami Ayusha Chadhanena Cha Supraja Prajaya Bhuyasam Suviro Viraihi Supate Patya Sugruho Gruhaihi Sumedha Medhaya. Like that, the mantra goes. The very opening mantra. There, Sugruho Gruhaihi. Sugruha means a good householder. So, actually, Agni also is taken as a Gruhapati. Agne Gruhapate Gruhampahi ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಓ ಅಗ್ನಿದೇವರ, ನೀವು ಇళ్ళ యొక్క అధిపతి. అగ్ని లేకపోతే ఏ ఇల్లు బతకదు. కాబట్టి అగ్ని is very important. And therefore, we have that idea of Agni worship. And we can become best Sugruhapatis. Sugruho, Agni is called, and moreover, Agni is the son of waters, Apangarbhaha. Therefore, every knowledge is reinforced in the Aruna Prashna or in Agni. Agnir Brahma ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ಅಗ್ನಿ ಯಾರು ಅಂದರೆ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ. And Agnaye Bruhate Nakaya Swaha. When we believe in Agni, it is easy for us to go to Nakaloka. That is the Swargaloka and a better Loka. Swarga means we may not go. But as long as we are existent, at least we should have that kind of comfort on this land. ನಮಗೆ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಂಫರ್ಟ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ we have to depend on the gods. And just now, when I was talking about previously we had a class on Viduraniti, in Viduraniti, a beautiful idea has been given by Vidura to Dhritarashtra, saying that the buddhi of each individual depends upon the gods. Something goes wrong, then you scold the god, you reprimand the gods. If something goes good, you appreciate the god. Devur Daya, Devura Shapa. Erdu karma is the one which is the word used. Karma here, karma there. But for good or bad or different, karma is the important. Therefore, ಈ ಅಗ್ನಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸುಪತಿ ಪತ್ಯ, ಯು ಬಿಕಮ್ ಎ ಗುಡ್ ಯಜಮಾನ ವೈಲ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಯಜ್ಞಾಸ್. ಸೊ ಸುಪತಿ ಪತ್ಯ ಸುಗೃಹೈ ಸುಗೃಹೋ ಗೃಹೈ, these two things are the advantages when we take to the worship of Agni. Well, with this kind of good introduction, that we will become good family relations and all that. And now there is a talk on the creation, as we told. So here we have seen, we have got apo va idamasan sarinameva सप्रजापतिरेकः पुष्करपर्णे समभवतु तस्यान्तर्मनसि कामः समवर्तत इदगुं सृजेयमिति तस्मात् यत्पुरुषो मनसाभिगच्छति तद्वाचा वदति तत्कर्मणा करोति तदेशाभ्यनूक्ता. This is a wonderful subhashita for us. When you want to study people who are really wonderful, there are very variety of people are there in the world, but for all of them, the Devata Anugraha must flow upon the Buddhi. And just now, in our Nadaveda Kendra, somebody has posted the Nirvana Shatka. In the Nirvana Shatka, there are some figures, picture as an example posted. If not, you have not seen, you see. And Govinda also may not have seen. I'll ನೋಡಿ ಅವಾಗ a king, a monk, an ordinary fellow, a worried man, a deceased man, all these people are being projected upon whom the Paramatma is sending his grace, that they will ultimately be eligible for nirvana. And for that nirvana, one should have the absolute feeling that Chidananda Rupa Shivoham Shivoham Chidananda Rupaha. See, Ananda Rupatvam, absolute happiness, where does it occur to us? That's why Chid Ananda is the only placement for all Purushas where they will be having a absolute happiness. Chidasya Anandaha, Chidakaraha Anandaha, Chidodbhavaha Anandaha, Ananda iti Kachyate. Kim tat Ananda? Ananda is Paramatma Devaha, Paramatmaha, Brahmadevaha, Ishvaraha, Ananda Rupaha. So that Ishvara is the very embodiment of Ananda. And our Shankaracharya, Acharya, he caught the Ananda of Lord Rudra in spite of so many things about Rudra. He said he is called Chidananda Shivaha, Shivoham, Shivoham. In that, 2 times Shiva, Shabda is told. One Shiva for Ananda, another Shiva for Shiva himself. Therefore, we have got a beautiful 100 slokas talking about the Ananda of Shiva. And Ananda is always in the form of Lahari, a wave. So, you can't, but waves do not stop at all. Therefore, Ananda will be definitely there. Nobody can say, I know Ananda. This is exactly the main theme of Ramayana. In Ramayana, Hanuman says to Sita Devi, Kalyani Batakatheyam Laukiki Pratibhati me Yeti Jivantamanando Naram Varsha Shatadabi. ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ರ. ಕಲ್ಯಾಣಿ ಬದಗಾಧೇಯಂ ಲೌಕಿಕಿ ಪ್ರತಿಭಾತಿ ಮೇ. ಓ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣಿ ಸೀತಾದೇವಿ, ಈ ಇರೋ ದುಃಖಗಳು ಸುಖಗಳು ಅದು ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣಿ ಬದಗಾಧೆ ಲೌಕಿಕಿ ಪ್ರತಿಭಾತಿ ಮೇ. ಲೌಕಿಕಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಲೋಕ, ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಕ್, also worldly. But the truth is that eti anandam naram varshasatadapi. The man may think that there is no ananda at all, but even after 100 years, the fellow will laugh. Ananda is something which is always constantly chasing us, inbuilt in us, but that Ananda is not being properly circulated or recognized and experienced. But Ananda is important. So, Supatihi, Patya, Sugruha, Gruhaihi. Well, uh, these are all the things that will talk about the Nirvana. Nirvana means completely got put out. So, for example, lamp is burning, the oil lamp. When oil is over, when wick is also done, ultimately what would remain? The entire the deepa semya becomes empty. So that is exactly ದೀಪ ನಿರ್ವಾಣವಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೌದಾ ಕುರಂಗರವರೇ? ಸೊ ದೀಪ ಅಥವಾ తెలుగులో ఏమంటారు, కొండెక్కింది అంటారు. ఆ కొండ ఏది అంటే మోక్షం. కొండను ఎక్కడము అనేది మోక్షం వెళ్ళిపోవడం. సో పీపుల్ హ్యావ్ గాట్ ఆల్వేస్ ది ladder to climb which we are going to the top of the house. The house is Ananda. Therefore, that Ananda is the most important thing, and that Ananda is possible, Mithunavan Bhavati, when once you have got a companionship, and when there is identity between the two companions, then there is that kind of absolute Ananda. That's why Shivoham, Shivoham, look at it. Repetition is there. Shivoham, Shivoham. So I think I advise all you to go just to at least spend some time and deeply enjoy the Nirvana Satkam in simple, projected there in our WhatsApp. On the other hand, our Anjaneya Prasad, he has also presented the Nirvana Satkam in a wonderful manner. And ultimately, he has given the message from the Nirvana Shatkam written by Shankara. In 6 months, in 6 slokas, we have been taught how everything is not ours, but all that will come to us, punyam, papam, shokam, dukkham, and etc. All these dvandvas will come and hit our mind. But ultimately, that hit, whatever hits you, cannot remain there only. It will recede back, like the waves in the ocean or in the river. No wave that hits the bank of the river will remain there only. That's why it is called as a wave. Tarangaha, taranga. So Ranga, Taranga. So these Tarangas keep moving, going to this way, that way, and simple harmonic motion. Therefore, here you see, Paramatma, when there is a complete water, there was a desire in him. Apova idamasan salinam eva. So, idam Vishwam, asan. On the Vishwam, there was something. What was that? That was something upon the universe. It is apaha, the water. Even beneath the 14-mile deep water depth of Pacific Ocean, there is land. సో సముద్రంలోకి వెళితే కూడా ఎంత దూరం నీళ్ళల్లో వెళ్ళగలరో అంత దూరమే వెళ్ళగలరు. 14 మైళ్ళు నీళ్ళ లోపల వెళ్ళడం అనేది ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ అట్ ఆల్ ఈజీ. And going down the bottom of the ocean and then bring some mud or something from that is itself is another great blessing. Therefore, we are all told, ఏం చెప్పాము, సముద్రంలో ఉండే మన్ను, రామేశ్వరంలో సముద్రంలో ఉండే మన్ను గంగలో ఉన్నటువంటి నీళ్లతో కలిపితే, ఆ నీళ్లు గంగ నీళ్లు సముద్రంలో కలిపితే మీ తీర్థయాత్రం ఫుల్ అవుతుంది, కంప్లీట్ అవుతుంది అంటారు. సంపూర్ణ తీర్థయాత్ర ఫలసిద్ధిరస్తు అంటే when you are able to club the ocean of the ocean and also the river water and ocean mud, then it is that kind. So our Hindu religion or Hinduism or Vedism is so noble, is so deep, so great that our Maharshis have been spending their thought upon the wisdom, knowledge, and unearthing the knowledge, because knowledge is a secret. జ్ఞాన రహస్యాలన్నీ తీసేసి ఆ జ్ఞాన ఉద్బాధ చేసేవాళ్ళందరూ మహాత్ములు. దట్స్ వాట్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ కాల్డ్ వేదాంత. Vedanta Vijnanata Sunischitartha Sannyasa Yogat Yataya Suddha Sattva. So, Yatigalu, they have got the Suddha Sattva able to do it. Now, let me not go astray. And then this Idam Viswam Salilameva Asa. When there was such an absolute water, upon the water, Saprajapati Samabhavatu. Then Samabhavatu is Udbhavam. Prajapati has not got any kind of Garbhavasa. Actually, he only makes people to get the Garbhavasa, remaining the womb of the mother, whatever it is, Yoni, and Yonichas, everybody is there. Not only one kind of Yoni, many Yonis are there. Anyway, and when Prajapati floated on the water, so, reclining upon a lotus leaf, Pushkara Parne Samabhavatu, then there came a desire in him. Tan Manasikamas Samavartata. In his mind, there rose up a desire because all desires are having their seat in the mind. Manoratha Nama Tataprapathaha. See, all desires are the chariots of the mind. So desires make the mind move, mind to grow, mind to become happy, mind to become unhappy, and all that to the mind only. Therefore, tasyaha manasi antarmanasi kama samavartata. See, whatever kama or desire that grows inside, deep inside the heart or mind, that only will be of importance. And there are so many kamas are there, but they are not important, they will disappear. Something like a proverb going, Utpadjante niliyante daridranam manorathaha. Govindavare heli, Utpadjante
Utpadhyante
niliyante
niliyante
daridranam
daridranam
manorathaha.
manorathaha. Yes,
You
sir.
understood?
Yes, correct.
That
Utpadhyante.
means, Utpadjante, they rise up.
Ah.
Niliyante, they just get silenced without fulfillment.
Yeah, correct, sir.
To whom? Daridhrana.
Daridranam.
Those people who have no capacity, who have no wealth, who have no money, who have no strength, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ there more and more desires are there. In
Yes, sir.
life also, the old people have more desires than the young people.
Yes, sir.
One grand example is if you ask an old man, ತಾತ ಮದುವೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀಯಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ,
Ah.
ಕಣಯ್ಯ ಈ ವಯಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಯಾರಪ್ಪ ಮಾಡಿ ಹುಡುಗಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ರೆಡಿ.
Yes.
See, the answer was, ಯಾರಪ್ಪ ನನಗೆ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ದುಃಖ, ನಾಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲ್ವಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಡಿಸೈರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಮೈಂಡ್. ದೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಸೂಪರ್ಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಲೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ದಟ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೂಪರ್ಫಿಷಿಯಾಲಿಟಿ ಈಸ್ ನೋ ಗುಡ್ when you have no capacity to fulfill it. But now here Brahmadeva is really, that Prajapati is really capable person. Therefore, a desire in him has taken seat in his inner heart. See, we have got Antar Manassu, Bahir Manassu, and Manassu. Do you see the difference? So, Antar Manassu means deep down inside our heart. If it is there, you will not sleep well until that is being executed. And Manassu will be desiring everything. When you go into a shop, you want everything there in the shop. Is it not a big nuisance to take a whole shop to your house? So, Kakunda, you must have that antar manasi kama samartata. Deep inside your mind, there was that kama coming up. Then what do you do? Idagum sujeyamiti. Okay, let me create all this. So let me create this entire world. Then Tasmat, Now we got one Subhashitam. Tasmat yat purusho manasa abhigacchati tadvacha vadati tat karmana karoti. So in case really Purusha, the word Purusha is very much significant and pregnant meaning that all are Purushas, but real Purusha is Paramatma. Real Purusha is those who achieve. ಈ ನಿರ್ವಾಣ ಷಟ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ದುಲ್ ಕಲಾಂ ಕೂರಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ದೇವರ ಅನುಗ್ರಹ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದಟ್. And this is the fellow who created that kind of Nirvana Shatkam, made different kinds of people being blessed by different forms of Paramatma, Parabrahma. ಒಂದೇ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಣಪತಿ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರು ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ. ಐ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವರ್ತ್ ಸೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ನಾಟಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ latest people who are able to climb up and fulfill to some extent, they are all regarded with some prominence. Therefore, Purushaha abhigacchati ante prapnoti. Whatever the man with his mind tries to imagine, then are things he would say that out in his speech. Vacha vadati, ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿರೋದನ್ನ ವಾಕಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. And what he says, he will be able to reduce into practice. Manasabhigacchati. So, whatever tad vacha vadati, tad karmana karoti. The last sentence is important. Tadesha abhyanukta. So, the last statement tells you there is that kind of practice in our Indian world. Those are real Purushas who not only take hold of the desire, but also utter the desire out or planning proposals. What proposal you are all computer people thinking or all professors are submitting, that is only the deep thoughts that they have planned inside their mind. Kamaha samvartata. And that too not kama in the mind, is antarmanasa samavartata, deep down inside your mind. And that you are able to propose. And when grant is given, you try to execute. So there are these three processes for any happening that should take place, any happening in the world. One is base. Secondly, the desire, the person. Secondly, the desire. And desire is deeper in the mind. And that desire which comes up constantly being expressed in the speech. And that speech is being reduced into practice when sufficient contextual atmosphere is being supportive. Is it not a learning from Aruna Prashna? Aruna Prashna actually has got a large number of Ubhashitas. And I have given homework for our Buddhapalli Raghava. I asked him to do on horses. I asked him to do on Rishis. So I think now I should do the Subhashitas from Aruna Prashna. Govind also can think of drafting out some Subhashitas. Among these Subhashitas, this is one.
Okay.
So what is the flow of tradition? The flow of traditional moral principles from Aruna Prashna.
Okay. Oh.
You take down the note, you take down the topic. The flow, I cannot give to Rama because he's very busy, he will not talk to us. So, but you can do it. And you can take Buddhapalli Raghava's help also. Let you be the projector or proposal fulfillment. Because there are so many Subhashitas in that. And this is one Subhashita, that is yad vacha vadati tad karmana karoti. I mean, yad antarmanasi atishtatu. Whatever is there seated or secretly inside the mind, that secret thought is being brought out, and then proposal framed out, and submission is done. When support is given, you execute it. Is it not? This is all what
Yes,
people think. All computer engineers are having the morning meeting. After meeting only you just, and all some IIM people, so yearly once they meet and then check out their plan for whole year. సో ఈ 12 మంత్స్‌లో ఏమేమి చేయాలి అని ప్లాన్ యేసుకుంటారు. సో దానికి ఆల్ పీపుల్ విల్ బి దేర్ అటెండింగ్ అండ్ ట్రైయింగ్ టు సో దిస్ వే కామస్ස అంతర్మనసి కామస్సమవర్తత and that is being executed. How beautifully it has been laid out here in this. Now, sato no kamastadagre samavartatadhi manaso reta prathamam. Sivalingaya, are you there? Come on, start reciting from 90 and onwards. Last time we did. Ilingavali kamastadagre.
Can I ಹೇಳ ಸರ್?
ಹೇಳಿ ಬಿಡಿ, ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿ ಬೆಟರ್.
Yes. ಕಾಮಸ್ತದಗ್ರೆ ಸಮವರ್ತತಾಧಿ ಮನಸೋ ರೇತಃ ಪ್ರಥಮಂ ಯದಾಸೀತ್. ಕಾಮಸ್ತದಗ್ರೆ ಸಮವರ್ತತಾಧಿ ಮನಸೋ ರೇತಃ ಪ್ರಥಮಂ ಯದಾಸೀತ್.
Sato
Sato.
bandhumasati varavindan. Yes, repeat.
ಸತೋ ಬಂಧುಮಸತಿ ನಿರವಿಂದನ್. ಸತೋ ಬಂಧುಮಸತಿ ನಿರವಿಂದನ್. ಹೃದಿ ಪ್ರತೀಶ್ಯ ಹೃದಿ ಪ್ರತೀಶ್ಯ ಕವಯೋ ಮನೀಷೇತಿ. ಹೃದಿ ಪ್ರತೀಶ್ಯ ಕವಯೋ ಮನೀಷೇತಿ. ಉಪೈನಂ ತದುಪನಮತಿ. ಉಪೈನಂ ತದುಪನಮತಿ. ಯತ್ಕಾಮೋ ಭವತಿ. ಯತ್ಕಾಮೋ ಭವತಿ. ಯ ಏವಂ ವೇದ. ಯ ಏವಂ ವೇದ. ಸತಪೋತಪ್ಯತ. ಸತಪೋತಪ್ಯತ. ಸತಪಸ್ತಪ್ತ್ವಾ. ಸತಪಸ್ತಪ್ತ್ವಾ. ಶರೀರಮಧೂನುತ. ಶರೀರಮಧೂನುತ. ತಸ್ಯ ಯನ್ಮಾಗಂ ಸಮಾಸೀತ್. ತಸ್ಯ ಯನ್ಮಾಗಂ ಸಮಾಸೀತ್.
No, en mamsam asitu mamsam, the flesh.
ಓಕೆ ಯನ್ಮಾಗಂ ಸಮಾಸೀತ್. ತತೋರುಣ ಕೇತವೋ ವಾತರಶನ ಋಷಯ ಉದತಿಷ್ಠನ್.
Yeah, now you shall try to note what is that happening here. So kamaha agre samavartata adhi. So there was the kama desire that sprang up inside the mind. Kamaha agre. At first, the desire sprang in mind. Then, when desire came up, there was the retaha prathamam yadasit. See, the essence of the body, which is called retas or semen, would come up only because of the desire in you. If you have no desire, the retas in your body has no functioning at all. It will be there, but it will not. That's why it is always said that Vayasigate kakama vicharaha. Shankaracharya says in Bhajagovindam, Vayasigate kakama vicharaha, Chine vitte kapparivaraha, Chine nire kapparivara, Chine nire kakkasaraha, Bhajagovindam, 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 Budhamate. Oditiranu? You are sorry?
Yes, sir.
Yes, to eye opener though. See, Bhajagovinda Stotram is an eye opener for everybody. So, yava kama anodu irodanaka, my man will be unstable. And when once the kama is done with, then retas do not work at all. He will be, that's why nobody will like to give a boy to a woman who is older. ఇప్పుడంతా వచ్చిన వాళ్ళంతా ఆడపిల్లలు మగపిల్లలందరూ 30 దాటిన తర్వాతనే పెళ్లి అనుకుంటారు. As a result, there are so many difficulties also on the other hand, because they are so matured that they become independent. Today marriage, tomorrow divorce. How the divorce court lo కేసులు పెండింగ్ అయిపోతుందట. And but in olden days, it was not like Ashtavarsha Bhavet Gauri. So 16 years the boy and 8 years the girl, they used to come into wedlock. Those days are different. My mother was 11 years old. My father was 16 years old when they got married. That's what I was told. I don't know. So those are the bygone days, which is a history for us. So manaso retaha asit prathamam asit. Unless there is retas in your body, the kama cannot be attended to. That's why kamo karushit manyura karushit namo namaha kamak karoti naham karomi kamak karta naham karta kamak karayita naham karayita ಏಷತೆ ಕಾಮ ಕಾಮಾಯ ಸ್ವಾಹ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಂ. ಕಾಮನಿಗೆ one kama is ಕಾಮದೇವ and another kama is the ರೇತಸ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ನಾವು ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಕಾಮ ಕಾಮಾಯ ಸ್ವಾಹ. ಮನ್ಯು is that kind of vigor and that kind of extra energy that comes into operative so that you will be able to fulfill the kama. There's kama and manyu. Manyu is the energy, Manyu is Indra, Manyu is Indriya. So Manyurindro Manyureva Sadevo Manyurhota Varuno Jataveda Manyum Visaidate Manushirya Pahino Manyo. So this is Manu Suktam. Very, very powerful, very, very instructive. So therefore here it is said that Sato Bandhu Masati Hrudi Pratishya Kavyayo Manisheti. So Kavayaha, there is this relation between mind and the desire. There is the understanding by the Manishis who are wise Kavis. So only intelligent people are able to connect the desire and the mind. That's why today we have got Lalita Sahasranamam, Vishnu Sahasranamam, because of the inner mind and desire of the Rishis. For example, in Vishnu Sahasranamam, Govinda has been reading every day, Yani Namani Gaunani Vikhyadani Mahatmana Parigitani Tani Vachyami Bhutaye. Notice that, Sloka?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
Gaunani Namani, the names of Vishnu are secret, hidden inside deep our heart. And Vikhyatani, in earlier ages, those Gauna names have not become Gauna only, they were very much published. But now it is the wise people aspect that they should be able to unearth those Gauna namas and give us. Yenduku ante bhutaye, for posterity, to benefit the posterity and people, the Vishnu Sahasranamas are also given. Similarly, in Lalita Sahasranam also, that Hayagriva tells Lalita Deviyaha Preranenaiva Namani Upadishtani Bhavataha Agastya Maharshi antane. Oh, Agastya Maharshi, only at the impulsion or confirmation given by Lalita Parameswari, I have given you the Lalita Namas. And these are all the two Rahasya Sahasranama Stotras. Even also Lakshmi Sahasranama Stotra, you may ask me why. You know that there are 80,000 names for Mahalakshmi. We don't know all of them. So here, Sato Bandhu Masati Niravindan Hrudi Kavayaha Pratishya Manisha Iti. Adadmele, next we are going to that. And ಇಂಥ ರಹಸ್ಯವಾದ ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನು ನಮಗೆ ಅನರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಇಟ್. ದೆನ್ ಉಪೈನಂ ತದುಪನಮತಿ ಯತ್ ಕಾಮೋ ಭವತಿ ಯ ಏವಂ ವೇದ. Anybody who understands the greatness of the desire of Prajapati, he would get that desire accomplished. Also, all that whatever he desires separately too will be fulfilled. That is the meaning. See, upainam tat upanamati. Upanamati means available for execution. And all those thoughts and desires that spring up in the mind will be definitely get fulfilled. That's why kamo bhavati. That this is a wonderful subhashita. మీ మనస్సులో నిజంగా సరి అయిన అభిప్రాయాలు ఉన్నాయంటే అవి చక్కగా ఫుల్ఫిల్ అవుతుంది. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ద మ్యారేజ్, దట్ మ్యాన్ అండ్ ఉమెన్ కమింగ్ టుగెదర్ ఇన్ వెడ్లాక్, And that kind of mind fixture, which they take decision or coming out at the time of the interview, marriage interview or anything like that, that will stand till the last breath of life each of us. That is what exactly is being indicated here. There, kamo et kamo bhavati. So నిజంగా కామము అనేది ఏది అంటే ఎగిరిపోయే భావాలు కామాలు కావు. Those thoughts which erase and disappear are not really real desires. But real desires are those which will lurk in our mind, stand in our mind for a long time. In order to establish that kind of deeper mind and deeper desire outside, then what you have got to do, you have to execute that. How are you going to execute? Those 3 lines, next 3 lines will tell you the way that has been executed by Prajapati. Moreover, whatever Prajapati has formed you, you have to admit it. ಏನಪ್ಪ ಇಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನಮಗೆ ಅಂತ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸ್ಟುಪಿಡ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅಳೋ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ತುಂಬ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಬಂದರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರಜಾಪತಿಸ್ ಡಿಸೈರ್, that each couple, how many children they should have, and how these children should be making their way out in the world. That's why at the end of every yajna, every homa, we are always advised to recite Prajapatehe Prajababhuma. Now we have become the children of the Prajapati. As long as you don't hate your own brothers and sisters and the kriya, dharma kriya of your parent, you are always safe and prosperity. But whenever you disdain each other, that is the origin for all discomfort and problem shooting. That's why here it is said that you have to honor the desire of Prajapati, and then you will get all the fulfillment of the desire that you are going to do. And therefore, here in this passage, we come to know that desire is sacred, and more so of noble and great personalities like Brahma or any other personality of that order have got to be understood and honored. One grand example that we can see is the parents of Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore is the 14th child of his parents. Govinda Varadkar, 14th child of his parents. ನಮ್ಮ ಕೇಂದ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಅರುಳಾಳನ್ ಅಂತ ಒಬ್ಬರಿದ್ದಾರೆ. He is the 13th child of his parents. When he was talking, being honored in our Kendra, he said, "Sir, I am the 13th child of my parents, and you are honoring us." Like that, he started. So, the rank is not important, but the work that we have taken out is very much important. That's exact. In order to stabilize that, ಪ್ರಜಾಪತಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸತಪೋತಪ್ಯತ ಸತಪಸ್ತಪ್ತ್ವಾ ಶರೀರಂ ಅಧೂನತ ತಸ್ಯ ಯನ್ಮಾಗುಂಸ ಸಮ್ಮಾಗುಂಸಂ ಆಸೀತು. So when Prajapati performed penance, after doing a great deal of penance, then he wanted to start the creation. ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ರೇನೆ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಬರೋದು. ಅಥವಾ ಕೈ ಕೆಸರಾದರೆ ಬಾಯಿ ಮೊಸರು ಅಂತ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ಕೆಸರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡ ಅಂದರೆ ಬಾಯಿ ಮೊಸರು ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಅದನ್ನು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾವರ್ಬ್ ಇದೆ. ಡು ಯು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್, ಗೋವಿಂದ್? ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ಒನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಪ್ರಾವರ್ಬ್ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್? You cannot remember. I'll tell you. Note down. A cat on the adage ಅಂತ ಶೇಕ್ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. It's a Shakespeare proverb. A cat on the bank of the river wants to catch fish and keeps on looking at the fish floating just before its eye. But at the same time, the cat doesn't want to wet its paw. ಆ ಪಾಕ್ಕೆ ವೆಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೇನೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಕ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಚ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ leaves and catch. But cat does not. That's why the cat wants to eat fish, but it doesn't want personal discomfort. Then it remains with want only. Correct? So that's how here. But Prajapati, what did he do? Shariram adhunata. he shook his body. So that's what is called Vipratvam antar. What is the example for Vipratvam? When you are boiling the milk, before it overflows, there will be a kind of vibrations. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕುದುಕುతుంది ಅಂತಾರೆ కదా అట్లా అయితే that itself is the Vipra status, response for all the heat that has been receiving in for the milk by the milk for the. So that kind of sense Prajapati gets it, and he tries to shake it out. And when he shook it out, some portion of his some portion of the flesh fell down, and that was from the flesh only the entire creation, human creation or animal creation, came into being. Therefore, what after all it is, it's all flesh and blood. Gods are not of flesh and blood, but all beings, all bhutas are out of flesh and blood. So looking at this kind of wisdom, our Shakespeare says at one place that what is beauty? What is beauty? A skin deep. What is skin deep is beauty. When you remove the skin for that, the beauty gone. You see the flesh. And therefore, the beauty point is different. Beauty is the desire. What a beautiful desire it is, we say. Even for the desire also, we attribute the complement of beauty. I think I can stop here. We'll continue next. Om Swasti.
Om Swasti. Om Sahana Vavatu. Sahanau Bhunaktu. Saha Viryam Karavavahai. Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Sri Veda Purushasirvadostu. Om Tat Satu.
Very nice. And
Oh.
చెప్పండి ఎలా ఉంది? How do you find?
ಓ
ನಿಮ್ ತಾಯಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೇನೋ?
ಅಮ್ಮನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು. ಅಮ್ಮಗೆ ಇವಾಗ ಅದೇ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಗುರುಳೆ. ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 91 ಅಮ್ಮ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು 80-85 ವರೆಗೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೇಗೋ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ.